To offset record inflation, many of us are looking for ways to make extra money.
We're talking about the side hustle.
Side hustles.
The side hustle.
44% of Americans have a side hustle.
Better get your side hustle on.
1 in 3 Americans started or plan to start a side hustle this year.
And he said, look, I don't have the money to put you through college, so you're gonna have to pay everything. You get zero contribution from your dad. We were picking up 20 new accounts a week, went from 0 to $1 million my first year.
I ran the second largest Hyundai dealership in the country. The only thing is, I couldn't stand it. I woke up every day and I cursed the world. Just about a year and a half, I went from making no money online to about $75,000 a month.
I was in massage school in the day, and then I waitressed at night, and then bartended into the wee hours of the morning. And now I bought 2 houses, both over 2.3 million, like a couple days apart.
And we got to this point that we were 17 days away from becoming homeless. 3 days later, he called me and said, Iman, I have a person here. Can you talk to her right now? And I said, sure. So we went and grabbed the coffee, and she wrote me an $1,800 check. That money took that company to a 6-figure business.
I loved the work I was doing, but I felt chained down. I was making good money, but I was stressed out not seeing my family. I realized I wanted to do something different. I was making enough that I could actually quit my corporate finance job in order to pursue this full time.
I had a good friend who might have graduated from high school, but not college, and he was making 4 times as much as I was as an engineer. He's got no stress. He's making way more. I don't get it. I got up to about $500,000 in sales in a very short period of time.
We'd been through the hard years, the ramen noodle and bologna sandwich days with the mattress on the floor, living in an apartment with bars on a window. First month we made $1,000, $2,000, $4,000, $5,000, $9,000 a month. We said, we're gonna be rich, like this is gonna be great.
If we had any kind of unexpected bill or any kind of emergency came up, we were in trouble. Everything we've bought, we always bought in debt on a credit card. It was about 6 months that I made my first real money with e-farming, that I was able to scale it to $10,000 a month, and I didn't look back since.
Originally I was going the corporate route with life, and I just realized that I needed to stop working my butt off to line other people's pockets. So I started my first business back in 2005, and in that first year we did over $3 million.
I was in the corporate game and it just didn't fit. I was that square peg in the round hole, and so I left it. And my wife was supporting the family, and it was a struggle. We had $400 in disposable income for the year. First launch, I did $1,650 in sales. Eventually, I started to help friends, and then eventually I did launches that did millions of dollars.
I love to write. I've been writing every day for 30 years. I do a podcast. I have been an entrepreneur. I've been an investor.
If you have the desire to improve your financial life, there's never been a better time, and there's never been more tools and resources or opportunity.
When I was 16, I lived in an apartment, there was cockroaches and stuff. So if people can be like, if she came from cockroaches and now she's a multi-millionaire, then I can do it too.
I made $200 to $300 that very first sale, and to me, that was like I had won the lottery. It was better than winning the lottery because I just realized that I could make money. I didn't have to have a boss telling me, you have to be there from 9 to 5, you have to wear this, you have to do this. No, I proved to myself that I could do this.